Hi guys and welcome back. So AI agents, that's the big word, that's the kind of thing that you have to follow. As I said many times guys, that's not a trend that will end tomorrow. That's something that will be with us at least for the whole 2025 and will change blockchain forever. Today what I want to share with you are two platforms that are close to what we have seen with Virtuals Protocol. Virtuals Protocol is a project, it's about 2 billion market cap, guys. That's a lot. These projects are still much smaller, are on Solana, and you have to know them. What I want to share with you is what they are exactly, what are the upside for these projects, and how you have to behave, because obviously guys, nothing goes up forever. You need to be ready for the evolution. It will be ups and downs, but if you have the understanding on what's going on and why, you will be able to take much better decisions. So stay tuned, because this video, if you want to make money in the industry, guys, AI agents will be the niche that will make out the most of it, the money for everyone. So be ready. Guys, so let me say this channel is about educational content. Nothing has to be intended as financial advice. If you want to invest in anything that's super cool, super fun, but do always your own research before. And guys, please again, leave a big thumbs up. Guys, please leave a big thumbs up. I'm saying it every time. I know that it's not because you don't want to leave a thumbs up, but most of the times we are simply forgetting. But if you do that, I would be really grateful, because it really means a lot. Producing these videos is taking a lot of time, and specifically what is taking even more time is digging. I'm spending my whole day just trying to understand what's going on to this market in order to give you the best alpha and the best information about this market. And if you just leave a thumbs up, that's something small effort for you, but really could help me to reach more people. Guys, we need to make this industry bigger, but in order to do that, we need more valuable information. We need more awareness on what's going on. Because if you're just buying something blinded, well, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. You need to be aware. In the moment when you are aware, you can do whatever you want. I'm fine. Okay, guys, I will stop right now and let's dig into the main topic. So which are the two platforms that I want to introduce to you today? And the first one, it's called daos.fun. And that's the platform that launched also AI16Z. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Sorry if I'm not. The other platform has even a name that I don't even know how to pronounce it. I will try at least. If you have any suggestion, feel free to write it into the comments section below. So let me share the screen with you. So this is the first one, and I'm starting with this one because it's the bigger one. And it's called daos.fun. And it's slightly different from what we have seen from Virtuals. Because if Virtuals is a platform where you can launch an AI agent and you can deploy different features in order to make it better. The basic feature is just being able to answer, to interact through a format. The second one is through Twitter. They have added also some kind of video interaction. They have added the possibility to, I don't know, AI for example, is able to scrape data in order to give insights, and so you can build on top of that. When it comes to daos.fun, it's much closer to a fund. So there is a phase where you can deploy your money, you can add money, you can give money to that AI agent that is like a fund, or better, it's an AI agent that is managing your money like a fund. The AI agent will be able to invest money with different rules that will be set up in advance and take decision in order to produce yield. That's basically what it does. Obviously, the reality is that most of the things are not working, but it's an interesting approach. As always, guys, the only fact that something has been launched, it doesn't mean that it's good, as in everything. There are good AI agents, there are bad AI agents. That's the key. And also, for the only fact that something has been pumped to 100 million, it doesn't mean it's good. Unfortunately, in order to understand if something is really good, it takes time. So what I can suggest to you in this market phase is do not buy everything, guys. Or except if you're not a really good trader. If you're a really good trader with a good track record when it comes to meme coins and stuff like that, do that, because at the end of the story, yes, right now we are talking about AI agents, but the kind of trading activity is so close to what we have seen with meme coins. Volatility that is insane, spikes that are going just to the moon and crashing down just in a matter of seconds. So if you are not familiar with this kind of dynamic, stay away because you will lose a lot of money. So be aware of that. Another story when there is the biggest correction, big correction could be like 50%, 60%, like something that we have seen with AI16Z, this one here. As you can see, it has gone down by 81%. And from this price here, it has started again doing another 6, 7x. Well, this was a great buying opportunity. Why? Well, mainly because we are talking about an agent that is also the one connected to a great technology. This is the operating system for AI agent, and it's called ELISA OS. And here you can find different information in order to understand how it works. You can deploy your own agent and so on. So that's a project that is solid. At the same time, the same AI agent is also representing daos.fun as its own AI agent. That's the biggest one. As you can see, the net asset values that are under management from these AI agents is about, 12 million. That's a lot. So, and the performance has been 130. Well, that's not bad. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of hype around this technology. It doesn't mean it will go straight up. But what I want to say is that when you see something that looks like a solid tech, a solid community, a solid AI agent that has been able to produce results and so on, well, it's at least unlikely that it will go straight to zero. Maybe in the future it will, because the market will evolve pretty fast. But this was a great opportunity. And as you can see, we touched this level once here and another one here. So yeah, I understand if you were buying here and expecting to go straight up, seeing this kind of, again, deep, this other deep, it's pretty stressful. But you have to look for these kind of opportunities. To me, at least, again, it's just my opinion, it's much better to trade like this instead of trying to buy something that has been just launched. But again, if you have a great track record when it comes to trading meme coins that are just launched, go on, because at the end of the story, it's a personal matter, and as long as you are profitable, that's super fine. Let's go to the other platform that I want to introduce to you today. It's called VVAIFU. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know, guys. I don't understand why they put this name. At least the agent is called a little bit easier to be pronounced. It's called Desha, I guess. It's correct. Sorry, guys, for the pronunciation. I would pronounce it with an Italian pronunciation. It would be wrong either, because even in Italian, I wouldn't know how to pronounce that. But aside from joking about the pronunciation of the different words, the main point, as you can see from this interface, is much closer to what we have seen on Virtuals. We can call it pretty much like a fork on Solana, or what we have seen on Base. If you click on any of these AI agents, you will see that they have different features like Twitter replies, tweet frequency, Discord access, Telegram, agent training, so you can train in order to make it able to interact in different ways, wallet access, TikTok access, and so on. It's pretty interesting to see TikTok access. There's something that I'm pretty curious to see how it will work, because the whole industry when it comes to content creation with these agents will change. If I think also to what I'm doing here, I'm sharing my own opinion, but opinions, I do believe that in the next future will be still valuable. I do think that humans will still have a role into this space, because an AI agent, at least for what is the current state of the art of the technology, it's not able to give you the same kind of understanding and the same kind of articulated opinion. it's much better in order to give you summaries, in order to make you analyses that are following precise rules. But if you want to have a much greater overview that is able also to embrace what are our feelings, our way of thinking, and the behaviors and so on, I do believe that still humans have a role. And aside from that, at least for me, I still like to see on the other side of the screen a human. I mean, it's a wow effect when I see an agent, but having this kind of relationship, I mean, I think it's wonderful. By the way, I'm curious to see what it will be able to release with TikTok, with the TikTok access. I want to show you also the metrics of this platform, and mainly because you have to remember, guys, it's not that Virtuals has gone to the moon just because the tech is cool. It's because the token has its own economy. So in order to launch an agent, you have to buy, so you have to pay, and you have to pay with the token of the platform. A part of these tokens will be burned. The same when you are adding and unlocking features. As you can see here, it has a price. It will have you will have to pay 10,000 tokens and so on. As you can see at the moment, the metrics are still good, but are going slightly slowing down. It's pretty normal, guys. Remember, nothing goes straight up. The market goes ups and downs, and you have to check it out. Obviously, if in the next 2 months we will see zero activities, it's not good. But if we see down, up again, down again, and so on, as long as the overall trend will go up, that's good. Right now, it's really too early to say anything. The platform was launched not even a month ago, so it's so new. But by the way, I will leave also the link to this dashboard into the comment section. So if you want to check it out, feel free to do that. Remember that this kind of stuff are pretty much connected to the level of activities due to the bar. If we check the price section, as you will see, there is this big spike the 19th of November. And if we check the activities on that day, you will see that it was also the major activities in terms of AI agents launched, and it is also reflected into the price. So check it out, because in the moment when you see an increase into the activities, if it's not yet reflected into the price, maybe it will in the next future. Right now we are in the C sideways, 57 millions. It's a lot. It's not, well, compared to Virtuals, is not a lot, but obviously Virtuals has much more activities on their platform. So I'm positive because I have seen Solana. I'm seeing Solana as a great ecosystem that could grow a lot, but who knows what will happen in the future. Guys, let me know what you think about these two platforms. If you are buying them, what do you think about that? If there is any other AI agent that has been built on this tech stack that you are loving, let me know into the comment section below. And don't forget, guys, leave us a thumbs up, or leave a comment, even better. I would appreciate even more. Even just say hi, whatever, write whatever, guys. It's good for the algo of YouTube, and I would appreciate that a lot. Guys, thank you for following me, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.